If you've ever had a zipper break or get stuck, you know how frustrating it can be. Don't panic! You don't always need to replace the zipper or take it to a professional. In fact, there's a simple trick that can help you fix the issue quickly, and it involves using an everyday household item, a fork. Let's dive into how to fix a zipper with fork, a method that can save you time and money. The first step in how to fix a zipper with fork is to identify the issue. Zippers often get stuck because the teeth misalign or the slider gets caught. Sometimes the problem is a bit of fabric jammed in the zipper. If you spot any of these issues, a fork can help you realign the zipper teeth or free any obstructions that are causing the issue. Start by pulling the zipper slider as far as it will go, then take a fork and carefully insert the prongs between the zipper teeth, just below the slider. Gently wiggle the fork back and forth to help separate any teeth that may be caught or misaligned. This is especially effective when dealing with teeth that have become stuck or slightly off track. The fork's prongs are narrow, enough to work in the tight space without damaging the zipper. Once you've cleared any obstructions, move the fork along the zipper track, continuing to gently push any misaligned teeth back into place. It's important to move slowly and not force the fork in too deeply, as this could cause damage. After you've realigned the zipper, try zipping and unzipping a few times to see if the slider moves smoothly. If it does, congratulations, you've successfully fixed the zipper. If the zipper is still not working correctly, you might need to apply a bit of lubricant. You can use a pencil lead, bar soap, or even a bit of lip balm to coat the teeth lightly. This will reduce friction and allow the slider to glide more easily over the teeth. After applying the lubricant, try zipping the garment again to see if it moves without any issues. Now you know how to fix a zipper with fork. This simple yet effective technique can save you from the frustration of a broken zipper and help extend the life of your clothing. Just remember to go slowly and be gentle, as you don't want to damage the zipper further. Next time you're faced with a stuck zipper, you won't need to replace it or take it to a tailor. With just a fork and a little patience, you can fix it yourself in no time. So give this method a try and see how easy it can be to get your zipper working like new again.